in this video I'm going to show you how to take the small 1/2" gauge CinDwood Crafts loom, universal loom, and mark it to do the rib stitch. First I'll show you which pegs you mark because the pegs are actually mirrored. So I start with this black peg. That's what I count as peg 1. So peg 1, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, 20, 23, 26, 29, 32, 35, 38, and 41. And this is what I mean by mirrored. You flip it over to the other side. You have peg 1, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, 20, 23, 26, 29, 32, 35, 38, and 41. So you just mark the same pegs on both sides. And the reason you mark the pegs is that outside of the loop has more pegs than the inside loop. And the CinDwood looms already come marked to the figure 8 stitch. This is to do the rib stitch, which is a different style rake stitch. Okay, put that under there. Alright. Alright, so I just have a slip knot on the black peg. You're going to go down, wrap around the bottom one, wrap up 2, bottom 2, wrap up 2, you come to your first peg that's marked. Skip it. Wrap down 2, wrap up 2, here's another marked peg. Skip it. Alright, you just keep doing that pattern. And you can see I'm almost to the other end now. It's just whenever you come up to a marked peg, a peg that I marked, not the initial pegs that come marked on the loom, you skip them. And this is how it turns out. You have 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom, and it gives just a super stretchy, really nice rib stitch. Now what you do at this point is you want to push all of those down to the bottom. Oops. I'm just going to do it for you. And then you go back, and the rib stitch is one where you mirror. So you just go back and you follow your pattern exactly. Oops, that's. Make sure you skipped the gold ones, not the original. Just keep going until you get to the other side, which the yarn guide I'm using is a little smaller than it should be, but there you go. You grab a hook here. Alright, and how you lock that in is you just take bottom loop, pull over the top, that's all locked in. But I'll show you real quick what this looks like. Everything is exact, so how you just wrap each row the exact same until you get this to the length that you want. Alright, so that is the rib stitch, and then from here all you do is you just take your bottom loop over the top, push the pegs down, you go all the way around the outside, the inside, whichever way is best for you, more comfortable for you to work with. Make it to the length you want and then just cast off. Alright, so that's it.